I know you do this, and it's okay, because you're probably not aware of it. Probably nobody's ever told you about this. When you're working in sales, when you're working in business, it's human nature. I get it. I understand why you're doing it. You're looking at the deal, you're looking at the business in front of you through your lens. So let's say you're closing a $2.3 million deal and you're like, oh my God, this is so much money. By looking at that through your lens in your buying practices, a lot of times what you end up doing is creating confusion, creating panic, creating uncertainty in terms of your buyer. Maybe they didn't think $2.3 million was a lot of money until you started acting like it is. I don't care what your upbringing is, where you're from, how difficult of a time you had in life. Take all of that lens and perspective and throw it out the window. If somebody's comfortable spending a lot of money in a short amount of time, let them do it. Stop looking at every deal through your lens. You're not the buyer. They are. You need to move at their pace, and if they're comfortable, you're comfortable too. Hey, my name's Matt Easton. Follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs, so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.